Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can split a bill on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. Of course, you have to make sure that your country actually supports or has Revolut and that you will be able to sign up or your login. So once you log in with your credentials, what you will have to do is you will see the payment section and you will just have to click it, and then you will tap split bill and then select contacts. You will just have to enter the amount and you can also add note if needed. And then you will just have to stop to tap split and the recipients will get a notification. And after all that, you will just have to check the status and you can now view who has paid. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.